dermocosmetics to over-the-counter and sterile under-prescription products, Norden has built the capabilities to assist their pharma customers in any kind of pharma project. At a recent customer survey, Norden is scoring the highest in technical knowledge and return on investment satisfaction. The specific functions that will support your excellence are inventions for product quality, inspection reliability, and traceability.
From one supplier, have the whole package from start filling the tube and packing the tubes into shipping cartons. The decision came about to invest in increased capability, because that's what we've done. Came from or was triggered from an agreement that was signed with Bayer Consumer Care in late 2014. That was a 10-year contract for distributing our products worldwide.
In Sweden, the world's foremost experts in tube filling are spending hours to test and search out new techniques for optimal life cycle economy that Norden is delivering worldwide. The offer to customers ranges from early stage discussions to complete line validations. The exclusive focus on tube filling systems has built the in-depth knowledge in pharma filling applications, where one strong point is that Norden engineers and adapt the design and configurations to be a dedicated system. After substantiating your needs, Norden will be a partner from URS review until providing all the necessary documentation for your systems.
In pharma projects, we very often receive a URS from the customer, a user requirement specification, and that is the starting point for the project. But in these kind of projects, it's very important to have a close dialogue with the supplier and the customer, because we need to understand all the needs, because a URS can be interpreted in many different ways. A need can be fulfilled in different ways. So that is why it's very important to have many milestones and many interactions along the way in the project. The strength for Norden machinery working with pharma project, I would say, many of them. One of the most important one is our history. We have been doing tube filling machines for the pharma industry for more than 80 years. So we know the business. We know what it takes to make a sterile machine and the different needs that is needed and the requirements, both on the machinery, but also on the work process and the documentation requirements and so on. It's not only about the machine itself, it's the entire process you have to understand.
While visiting a production site, a customer is speaking of appreciated features of the Norden machines.
One is the consistent filling technique. It's very robust, the filling technique. And that was one of the major factors for choosing this machine.
An extremely robust filling technique, high overall equipment efficiency, and state-of-the-art control system gives excellent results every time. At Norden, the goal is to succeed by delivering production solutions you can rely on. Year after year, with Norden, you get more out of tubes.
What you need to have is a system, a documented system in place that can provide, in the end, safe and efficient product. The experience when we had the Norden line coming to site was a scary and exciting one. Scary because we needed to maneuver the line in place, and exciting because now we could see this become alive. Because the project has been alive for so long, and now we can see it being alive on site. Mainly we receive feedback from our distributors, our customers, which then the feedback then comes from our end users. And the main feedback is very positive, obviously, because we're increasing the sales and volumes, and we have a very low frequency of complaints in the benchmark. They have been a very competent partner very early in the design phase and through the whole project into the installation. And now when we are fine-tuning, we are also getting good support and competent support from Norden.
Good customer service for Norden and for me is when you have a very close relationship and understand the need of the customer and can work proactively with the customer and actually propose what the customer can do or what we can do for the customer to improve their business. And in all decisions we make, we should see how will this benefit our customers, and that's what should drive all our decisions, how we can make things better for our customers.